Hi, my name's Travis with ATTY. Today I'm going to show you how to install the ADV Kit on the Crown 4. What you want to do is take off your top cap and you basically just pull on the glass to separate it from your device. Then you want to work on taking off the O-rings. Now this is really different from the way the Crown 3 was designed. The Crown 3 actually had a lock mechanism to keep the glass from coming off, and the glass was actually encased with parts from the device. This is going to be a little different. It is not as secure, so I don't know if I can recommend this unless you're careful with filling your device. What you'll do is you'll take the O-rings off, you'll replace them with O-rings that we supply. As you see, I'll install the two O-rings on the bottom side by side, and then the first adapter of the ADV Kit on the device. So both sides of this ADV Kit are the same, so you'll take either side and place it with the lip protruding down towards the bottom, and you'll see the pre-installed ADV gaskets on the opposite side. So once you've got that adapter on, you'll go ahead and put your other gasket on the top, and then you'll want to put the even smaller gasket beside it to keep it from riding up. You don't want it to ride up because the fill port has to go on the top, and you need to leave it a little bit of leeway. So then you want to put the 33mm glass on the kit, and then you'll put the other adapter on top of it, and you'll see that the cap basically holds this ADV Kit on. Now when you go to fill it, it's going to be a little bit tighter to remove, because to hold that ADV Kit in place, we need a little bit of pressure to hold everything together. So as you see, I'll take off the fill cap, and basically all you would need to do is pull to remove the ADV Kit. So this is the Crown 4. It sits on it just fine, but you're going to need to be very careful when you fill it, because if you push up on the ADV Kit, it is going to come off the device. So you would want to fill it and put your top cap back on, and I recommend not filling it all the way up until you're a little bit more advanced on how to use it. Thanks everybody, you have a great day.